The 2012 Ford Mustang by Cervinis Stalker. Cervinis Stalker has been offering tuning upgrades for the Ford Mustang since 1993, but their latest package focuses on the 2010 to 2012 models. This package doesn't offer any type of engine modification because the tuner's main concern was the exterior of the American muscle car. The exterior package offered for this Mustang makes the car even more muscular than in standard form. The kit includes a new hood, a new front bumper, new upper and lower billet grills, new side skirts, and new window scoops. Adding to the anticipated look is a new rear bumper, trunk filler, and rear wing, while the front bumper gets optional openings including LED marker lights in divider and open versions. The final element is a new set of wheels painted in matte black aluminum. Potential customers interested will need to know that this exterior upgrade will set them back $2,500. It's a pretty good deal if it can make your 2010 to 2012 Ford Mustang look like a 2013 GT500.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.